Yeah. So, today it's the Titanic. Oh, let me take this. Hey, girl! What's up? Oh, really? Oh, yeah, totally. Yeah.
Shut up.
Ow! You made me drop my phone, bastard!
Don't yell at me.
Hey! Jack! Get out of my room!
No, this is my room.
Okay, I know we share a room, but you don't have to...
No, you're not with me anymore.
I hate you! I'm breaking up with you.
We were never together. I'm gay anyway. I have the best boyfriend ever. His name's like Rick and he has purple hair.
So expected. So...
Wait. Look at my new phone case. It has monkeys on it. Okay, back to...
You are really strange. And also, just because they did this movie like 100 years ago, Titanic, whatever it's called,
This freaking boat's called Titanic. You should know this by now, Rosie Tard.
Yeah, well, she, in the movie,
I'm a guy, retard.
Sure. Okay, so, in the movie, they expect me to love him.
I want to be a girl.
They expect me to love him. Can you really understand me?
Excuse me, this bastard has been badgering me and stalking me for the past 20 years!
Just go. Okay, just go. Talk to the hand.
Okay, I'll see you in hell.
To the hand.
No. I won't see you in hell because I'm such a good...
Just go away.
So when the freaking boat sinks, I won't miss you because you'll be in hell.
Who cares? Okay, just go. Where's my tea? Oh my god, I've been looking everywhere. Oh, maid, can you please go put that...
Dun dun dun. Rose has been sent to hell, where she has been proudly reunited with everybody else that hates her.